Okay, so it's March 12th, and we had a little practice run, so I'll go at it again. But basically, it's March 12th. In the past, we've been very aggressive in getting ready for planting as early as January, being very aggressive about it and trying to figure out things. We basically went to YouTube University, learned a lot from all the avid gardeners out there, and we've basically taken some pieces of this and that, what we like, what we don't like, and basically put together our own processes that work for us here in New Jersey. And what we found that works is basically taking some clippings of your plants, basically it's propagation, and
Put them in water in a plastic bottle and let it sit there on the shelf in the sun.
yep. So these have been sitting next to
Show the
a
roots.
window, and
Show the roots, that's the big thing.
you can get
Good roots.
some pretty amazing roots. This basically sat all winter and had no food, no nothing, just water, just a little bit of root hormone, and now this is getting ready to go into soil and in pots, and we'll get it ready to go back out into the natural sunlight and get it used to soil.
Yes, we have several unique ways of doing seed starts too. We have some using plastic bottles. You cut the bottles like this. You put water in the bottom, but you use a wick, and found out that the coffee pot material works better than paper towel. You put your dirt in here, and you put your seeds in, and it will feed itself, and in time it will grow. And as you can see over here, there's one in there with plant seeds already developing, and these are plants on the right and on the bottom that were over the winterized in this greenhouse. There's the spider plants. They're very good for over in the house. And this is an impatient that's still surviving. I had two others that didn't quite make it. And there's another impatient there, the pink model, that, and it's got a flower, if you see here. See the pink flower? And that should be repotted. I'm trying to do that this week. And what are you gonna, oh, a pineapple plant. That was a Christmas gift. It's supposed to grow. It started out about here, now it's all the way up to there, and you water it like once a week. And then we have this other plant that I don't know what they particularly call it, but it's been grown out of this pot in the back. Can you see the pot in the back? And there's the sister plant over there. And that's my hobby of keeping busy.
Okay, so
Excuse
signing
me.
out. That's all we have for you today. Just a real quick. I'm going to show
Synopsis.
you what I'm doing here with this plant. It had all the nice roots on it. It's just going to get
Dirt now.
some dirt, and this is just a mix of garden soil and some peat moss. Basically, just keeping it nice and light, and that'll go in there.
Until you can put it in a pot and bring it outside, more or less, right?
Yep, and that's basically it. So signing out, Gardener David and Gardener John.